Angithatha isikhathi namukele ku-Ace the Coach kuye podcast show nje basade kusinjete imidlalo ihlala ikhona etinye indithi sekusaka sibonile ke imidlalo soluyaqhubeka ebholeni inyabo kuyo iWAFCON eceleni ke licembu lethu libanyana azange baqale kahle sibonile ke badliwe umdlalo oqala eTanzania babuye badlala idraw kepha nje lokumnanzi bangenile kuwo ema-quarter finals eWAFCON emva nje banqobe ngegoli ecanzeni imzuzu wa 21 minutes umdlali ke eThembi Kgatlana lo shaya amagoli lapha nje phinzi bashaya celebration yakhe ye-snake kepha nje lokubhlungu asathi ukuthi kubhlungu onjani kepha nje kuma-quarter finals Saturday bade bedlala nama-host iMorocco lesibona nayo leqhamuka kahle kakhulu kumbusa baqale ke kuyishaya iMorocco bake bayishaya kuwe emancama ayo AFCON noma ye-AFCON khasi bayiwina khona bomake bakhona lekhaya eMzansi kanti sabona ke nema-transfer window ekugcineni imidlalo welicembu le-Kaizer Chiefs basolafunywa kakhulu lapha nje ilanga lelihle phiri gcina sayina nelicembu le-Kaizer Chiefs abuye ecenjini lapha nje le-Stellenbosch kanti khona lapho phinze kwaba ne-swap deal sabona ahamba lapha nje Msimango aphinza futhi bahamba naDupree baya ecenjini lapha nje layo leStellenbosch kanti kwaba nemali futhi eduru usho ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs vele beyitimisela kakhulu siyamfuna nje elamdlali kanti ke for the first time silibonile futhi lecembu leCrocodile United badlala for the first time kuBetway Premiership abaqalanga kahle ke badliwe ekhaya nga-3-1 badliwa lapha nje lecembu leKaizer Chiefs kanti futhi neMilford for the first time siyibona idlala naye kuye Betway Premiership lokumnanzi sabona lapha nje nesicelo khona lapha eBarberton kepha nje bashosha nga-2-0 kanti futhi netecenjini leCrocodile United imidlalo lapha eBarberton futhi lapha nje ozilwa kathwala naye nomunye futhi ephakamisa iflag yakhona la khaya impumalanga asunguye kuphela ke lophakamisa iflag yasepumalanga nangu lomunye sinaye laceleni nami lapha nje Sotobe watiwa lapha nje ngaspoko coach welicembu leMasulu Chelsea for the first time siyabona namuhla sinaye ke la studio lokumnanzi ke ukuthi iMasulu ekhona yaqala ya developer ke yagcina kucala ngebo Masulu Limited United kepha nje recently sibonile iHlanzeni United ibuya njalo ku-ABC Municipal League naku ke sibona licembu leChelsea seMasulu Chelsea bangenela pha nje kuyo iMunicipal Foundation manje i-ABC Municipal League nje akhishiwe futhi ngikhuluma nawe lapha nje maduzane sebesibona mafisha akhishiwe ayo iNedbank Cup ade bedlala le weekend emhla ka-15 sibesiva ngaye ke coach ukuthi bafike njani la ku-ABC nokusima plans abo ebenjani sibesikhulumisana futhi nemidlalo lomunye walolicembu leMasulu Chelsea khumbuzo licemukeli bekuyibhaso kasathi ke ukuthi kwente kanjani ngogcina sokuMasulu Chelsea sitava ngaye angithathe isikhathi kubekelele coach ngikwamukele ku-Ace the Coach podcast show.
Ngiyabonga Mr Ace ngibonga ne-invite ukuthi ukhonile kusithola ukuthi sibuye sitochaza kabantu ngeMasulu Chelsea ligama lami nguSifiso ngakasibiya Sibongo laba ngadiko bangadinga sipoko sekachazile Mr Ace iMasulu Chelsea ithopile akusimidlalo akusima Facebook ukuthi beve bathi ngiyakugcizelela lokho ithopile iku ABC Mutsipe it's another level siqale last year masithola ukuthi iBazuka ayisakhona ukuba nemandla ukuqhubeka neSAB then sahlala phansi si management ne other staff so no how about we get the status and see ukuthi siphusha njani siMatsulu since iMatsulu football bese yangokulahleka kancane then kungena kwethu besingena because we wanted to see ukuthi we can have the status saka Mutsipe na so kwendakalile I think sibena 5 to 6 months kuprepare sizesifike la sikhona khona we win ama games si train yonke lento lenjalo so yeah kunjalo ku-official singenile sikumutsepe we are busy preparing for iNedbank as we speak.
Yeah sabona licembu lingenile ke ku-ABC before singene kuyi-debut kakhulu licembu leMasulu Chelsea kuwe ngicabanga balandzeli baqale kukwati uyicoach kepha nje awuqala kuba icoach bemidlali nawe sitshela kabandi ngawe as a player before ube coach.
Kuqala kwami kudlala ngidlalile kuMasulu Chelsea sikhathini lesiningi I think iMasulu Chelsea mayifonywa beku 2005 then from 2005 2006 2007 2008 2009 then from 2010 then kwaba ne Barberton City Stars I went to play season lay 1 kuBarberton City Stars then ngabuya futhi kuMasulu Chelsea 2011 then 2012 sengila ngiyodlala khona iForex ngicabanga bayakhona labayatiko iForex Academy beyibase nayo eBarberton ngadlala 2 season yes 3 season ya topa yaya kodlala ku ABC I think bese ku 2014 ya 2014 itopa ya ku ABC then ngadlala isizini lay 1 ngagcina lapho kudlala iABC ku Forex then abuyela back kuMatsulu Chelsea 2015 2016 then satholakala sesi iMatsulu Chelsea istopa ngasakhona ukuqhubeka I think from 2018 2019 2020 2021 2024 2025 2026 saying lokho sesihlalela phansi ukuthi no guys sesirestile enough asizameni kubuya and see ukuthi labe sifuna kufika khona singafika na then bangikhetha bathi but Spoko kufuna uphushe lento le ube ngicoach asifuna lo munye coach utofika ayende into lesingayadi ngeMatsulu Chelsea so they trusted me then sayiqala yaba successful ibe successful ngicabanga ukuthi even nanyalo nami ngimangele ukuthi ngimile ngithopisele team but because uNkulunkulu maka plan itinto takhe uthi plana ungadi uthola so ungenile la ucabanga usibonge kungene khona so yes sidlalile ama playoff it was tough but ke siphumelele without any doubt nokubelieve ukuthi if this thing iyendakalile.
And then kukhosha kwakho iqembu leMatsulu Chelsea buku first time ube coach or already before coach eMatsulu Chelsea was a coach before
kube nesikhathi ngisadlala kuMatsulu Chelsea ngingacoacha bengine team under 13 under 15 besibita ngema Matsulu Madrid because bewusingeke singene kuMeas Cup ngeMatsulu Chelsea nokuMatsulu Chelsea khona kuMeas Cup so they said no change the name to another name ngayitshintsha yaba iMatsulu Madrid then labafana laba under 13 ngadlala nabo I think beku 2017 saya kuphelela kuma final the under 13 then under 15 bayikhipha ku under ku ma quarter final which is top 8 then ngaqhubeka nalabafana sayisodlala ifinal under 13 unfortunately basishaya ku final so nanyalo if ever ungachecka most walabafana I think by 4 by 3 so long nabo ngiyaba coach
ngisuka nabo development
yes lo munye lokhona lengimcoach ku under 13 manje udlalile inzingi Ngivuyo Mancina beka ku under Eswatini yeah I coached the boy ku under 13 2017
wow
yeah so nalabanye badlalile kuNhlanzeni lengambala nje mfana ngumncedisi Mahlangu udlalile naye kuNhlanzeni naye bengimcoacha ku under 13 kule under 13 lebe yaya ku final ku World Cup
yeah kuyakhombisa ukuthi vele lento ukuthi uqala development kusitile because most of the players wakhuphulile bona nyalo uthathena player bafaka ngale bawina ne-league ngale eSwatini and then sabuya ke nayi lithuba kusito coach iChelsea before singene futhi kuye deep iChelsea yaduma khona le season leyabo udlala khona boMpai nabo Parker basayimani iqembu leshaka kakhulu boyincenye nayo le qembu lelo
to go correct boMpai abadlalanga kithi as iMatsulu Chelsea nabo Park la balingababala labadlalile bo Godfrey Maphosa bo Bonkosi Sibiya ubani bo Steve wakaThobela
boy Green Mamba le
yeah that one was a Green Mamba yeah so kule era leyo labe si computer khona nabo Thobela makuthoba khona Thobela those are the players labathatha khona Godfrey ku Sporting
yeah
Godfrey was part of a team ye Matsulu Chelsea yeah ngabala bo Dropa Bongani Maji bo Xolani Ngobese bambita ngakusumba bo Faro those are the players when we speak of Chelsea those are the players even manje we call ourselves ma legend yeah so lawo makhuluma ngeChelsea ngibo majita ukuthi aphushile to the core ukuthi mabathi Matsulu Chelsea bekungiyo le era leyo besikhotshwa nguSlaki Masilela
and then boku difficult eMatsulu sibone iqembu dlala ku ABC esibonile ihlanzeni kwenda lokho but idlale one season inkuphi mhlawumbe kunimotivateile nini kuthi hayi man lento ingento ekana ihlanzeni siyibonile sengilokunani sinibona ngidlala nazana fika la na qualifier nangena kuyo ABC Municipal League
loku simotivate kakhulu ngilokuthi when we recruit lama players abazange babe bantu lokuthi angeyendeke lento lena and asikatholanga I discouragement especially ku management ukuthi okay management lokho siyakudinga bayehlise tinyawo lokho siyakudinga bayehlisa kubona kube sekuba akube mnanzi ukuthi une game wayekokurolela because transport so the motivation was always available from the management even the players they show character to say guys we can win this thing so bekungiloko the motivation was very high from the training from the team talk everywhere it was very high
and then naku niwinile kuma playoff nangena ABC ibe njani mood campaign sibonile in trend ukuthi hayi man igcineni eMatsulu Chelsea ingenile sibona iqembu libhazuka seMatsulu Chelsea bangena eTuke League babune ABC Municipal League benjani challenge and then kubenjani igcineni seniwina as a coach technical team ne chairman kanye nebadlali ngena ku ABC Municipal League
kubonga nje kakhulu especially kuma supporters ngicabanga mangabe ukuthi ubonile for the two playoffs that we play against Mashaba plus Edenberg supporters were there so when you have supporters at the back you are coaching and you part of management you also being encouraged ukuthi I don't need any mistake to lose this game so when we get support from Manbase Matsulu we said no guys we don't need to make any silly mistake upon this thing because it will be a history whereby team yaseMatsulu idlale SAB ithope idlale ama playoff yeka ABC Mutsipe it's a very first time ukuthi itithopele other than njengehlanzeni beyikhona but they did not do what we did when we compare uyabona so kube excitement was there but we excited maybe sibe excited 2 days and then after that sekuqala ukuthi we need to prepare uyabona so for this thing I cannot be saying we are overwhelmed to that core we still have a long way to go because you can be excited now ukuthi uyavula amehlo say Saturday we are playing awusakhona ukutabanga yabo so kunjalo mphathi
okay now sengenile ku ABC Municipal League yinyalo ma plans ikhona iNetbank sibonile before maningi macembu lamancane ashala abakhulu abafika kuNetbank for example even SAB iLiver Brothers one of them yaseBush baze bafike bakhishwa lesikhukhune inaye sengenile kunetopper ngena ku ABC yini ba plans ngifuna ukufocus at ku league focus at ku Netbank sibonile isikhathi esiningi labayibanga focus ku Netbank bese ku league abendi kahle asini ma goals eMatsulu Chelsea ku ABC Municipal League 2026-2027 season
for us is to take one thing at a time next week we are playing we'll be focusing go Netbank if we proceed then league yaqala we would also need to push the players ukuthi if this thing happens if this thing ayikaendeki like for example if we lose maybe go leave us for example then we focus go league if we win on Saturday then siyodlala futhi league because league will be playing week in week out we will be trying to get mentality of a player to say let's focus in this we win this we focus in this we win this we don't want Netbank we sayifuni Netbank we also want to be part and parcel of the history we did go 32 so we cannot be discouraged to say ngekenlunge whatsoever we are going there to compete a push with positive mind with positive attitude
and then siyabona ke njengoba ushito ukuthi ni focus nethemba ukuthi anything can happen and then nabo balandzeli baseMatsulu bajabulile sineqembu after ihlanzeni khona eMatsulu Chelsea bafuna kwathi njengoba kunawe namuhla ukuthi iqembu litraina kuphi kanze futhi tebedlala kuphi so that balandzeli bateba awe ngeqembu
enzabeni yokutraina si trainer around Malelane
That's where we are training. Then home game, my home game wethu so wadlalela eLikazi Stadium.
Kanyamazane Stadium.
Yeah, Kanyamazane Stadium for now, since we all know ukuthi iMatsulu is busy Lungisa Stadium. So we are hoping fast tracking the stadium ngiyoba i-advantage nakhona ukuthi sibuye sidlale home ekhaya singaphumi, always siyaphuma uyabona. So we are hoping ukuthi anytime soon the stadium will be fine, then is hostel around eMatsulu.
And then isabuka ke if fixture ye Nedbank, the first game against Liver Brothers, bane mlando bane experience, and even among the same players, but imphathi longo yamkhanika zide bona baya ku Nedbank Cup last 2 badlala ayina le ABC badlala ngale phansi ku SAP ngelo ku Hollywood. Athini ma plans enu focus yenu nipreneka kanani nilethe kanani licembu le Liver Brothers sibana 2 seasons ku ABC Multiple League season yabo esithathu le.
Angikho aware kakhulu with Liver Brothers, but ke njengoba baphelele ku number 4, it means it's a team that has a capacity in terms of players. I cannot take anything granted for them. We are going for a win or whatsoever. We are going for play. We are going to prepare our players way too. Since we just recently top, I think about rest a week, 2 weeks maybe, but rest still. But we are back in training. We are going to prepare them mentally. Babe fit, bangabi. Bandulo ukuthi we are starting siyafika sithukile nanani, the nervousness funa keep kubo so that when we go for the game push babe prepare, because if we are not going to prepare enough, still a problem going forward. But I trust my boys. I would say they will go and make the mark, because now bafuna go vela badlala nabo Kaizer Chiefs, badlala nabo Orlando Pirates nanana. So they are going to fight. It won't be walk in the park for njengathi safika umuntu athi laba so shaya intombi. I'm not promising that. I'm promising a competitive football, a nice football for the fans wethu aseMatsulu.
And then iqembu selipromotiwe lingenile ku ABC. Sibonile ke use league le competitive kakhulu nemathuba amanye for badlali. Sibonile Luthuli Bridges, sibonile ke nephezulu most of the players abo bakhona season batholile emadlelo lahlata, and then kusho ukuthi nje tinotendeka la badlali. So in terms of squad depth and experience and quality, simenjani squad sakho unabo badlali lo babonako laba potential ukuthi bangakhashana, and also futhi experience, especially sibonile before Matsulu bakhona bompayi nabo Parker. Limenjani iqembu ibalance ku experience and also ne youth, also no performa kahle, because ABC nyalo is competitive. Wonke umuntu ubonile ukuthi nebadlali abagood la nje basibonile bo Arrows bo Polokwane City basasebadlali la.
Yeah, for players we have look where we come from, then we identify some of few gaps to fill with few of experienced players. Just that I cannot mention names of those players, but we did have add some of the players. We will be revealing the players before going for Nedbank, so that everyone knows who did we sign and going forward what's going to happen for a team, especially with the issue of players, because we saw with some of the players that's Tamganabo, they still lack there and there, but we are going with them. We are not leaving anyone behind. Sambana Bogu APC, so that they will grow, because our mandate as Matsulu Chelsea is not to come here and not developing players. We are here to develop, and also if BTS Babona 1 or 2 told about developed those players, because the age it's under 23. We don't have much of players like about 30, 34. No, I think maybe it's now 7 of players that were above 30, above 23. The rest, mature.
Yeah, so ubalele ukuthi most of the players benabo noqhubeka nabo abanike chance. Sibonile ke isikhathi esiningi enokwenda amaqembu ukuthi badlali bathupha nabo bawafikele i-division bese bafuna abanye badlali basibone experience yabo kanzi labadlali ngibo labakuthethe bakubeka la kusho kona ukuthi nibambe kahle. And then because i-pre-season saqhubeka nje ba i-Nedbank Cup nayo solo i-tournament linkulu but still iphathe pre-season because i-league isuke ngaqala ngalekini. Mhlambe khona abadlali abathiti nesababukako laba mhlambe ngithena nabo mhlambe nisababuka ukuthi ngenteka mhlambe nibasayini.
Yeah, there are few that we are assessing. There are few players that we are assessing. As I said, I'm not going to mention names.
Yeah,
we will be giving them this week because we have started Jobangisho. We will check after that. We will give report to them. We are taking you or we are not going to be with you. But I'm not seeing anyone. And the other thing, we are not going outside. When I say outside, maybe HOs. We are not going to take anyone from HOs unless lo muntu lo HOs umuntu weMagoli utosinika something. I don't want to siphume say Eastern Cape while eMatsulu we can develop that someone lo Eastern Cape because eMatsulu is very small. We can do our own, have our own striker or have our own defender eMatsulu.
So uphumi okay eMatsulu aphumi eMpumalanga mara eMatsulu ngaphuma uthathela abanye badlali
eMatsulu ngiyophumiswa mina ukuthi lo muntu lengiyomlanza umuntu weMagoli week in week out
but kakhulu ufuna focus kakhulu eMatsulu.
Yeah, angifuni kulanza umuntu afika toluza nganginiki kona ngifuna kulanza umuntu lokora uMbesuma. You see when you speak of Mbesuma, Mbesuma week in week out bomsona. Week in week out it's a goal. Week in week out it's a goal. So I don't want ngiphume ngiyolanza someone lotofika angidisappoint while lo muntu ngimniketa lento esivumelane ngayo yaba.
Yeah, see as the coach podcast sabona ukuthi nisiphe lithuba ukuthi sikhone xoxanani nebabukeli bethu nje batonati ngicabanga maningi nje mariwatsi towathola kuya embili ngethemba kwethu nibalandzeli baseMatsulu bakujabulele lo ukuthi sibe necebe eMatsulu. Nami original ikhaya kuseMatsulu ngifundza esikole ngacedza eMatsulu. I'm from Matsulu. I'm a Matsulian. Yeah, so ngiyajabula makubona eMatsulu yenda so since senhlanhla coach siboka kakhulu. Good luck for igame yenu yokuqala against Silver Brothers Thula Mahashe and also for good luck for the rest of the season. Angibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho.
No kubonga mina ngibonga ne-invite njengoba ngishithe ecaleni then just ukundlulisa i-update of ukuthi kuyodlalwa kanjani this week okuhanjwa kanjani kuma fans cabanga atoyithola epagini lethu for isupport yegame yeThula Mahashe.
Angibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho. Yeah, sisase sibikela besinaye ke Sifiso wasibiya Sotobe watiwa ngaSpo umqeqeshi ke welicembu lapha nje eMatsulu eMatsulu Chelsea bekuyibhazuka sengiloku namuhla sesibona iMatsulu Chelsea bathi bebasebenzisa igama lelo leMatsulu Chelsea kuyo iABC Municipal League. First game ke sebesibona against iChelsea ekhambeni leThula Mahashe and bathi badlala against Liver Brothers leThula Mahashe sebesibuka ukuthi bathi badlala kanjani kwanyalo sisase sibikela as the coach ku as the coach podcast show.